Friends, I'm Dr. P.K. Hajra. Today I'll be demonstrating how to do single breath count SBC. Now this single breath count is very important in today's COVID era. You have to do like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So Munis is the single breath count because I have stopped. Like it could be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46. So 46 is my breath count. Now it can be variable, man to man, female to female, and also depends on how rapidly you are counting. Suppose you are counting like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 may be your count. So it all depends on the speed, but try to maintain one speed, and it can be done at any point of time, any time of the day, and anywhere. Now this is a very simple test, and this has become an alternative to your pulse oximetry. Now this pulse oximetry, which is usually you put a finger, you get a certain number, and you get 90%, 92%, 93%, something like this. And if it is less than 85%, uska niche aapko you have to take care of your lung conditions or heart conditions. You have to ask a doctor whether you need oxygen or not. And most of the time, if it is falling oxygen saturations or falling single breath count, like previous day আপনি হয়তো 80 90 count করেছেন বা 50 count করেছেন, now it has come down to 30 40, and it is repeatedly you're not able to cross that highest mark. That means your corona or heart failure or asthma or bronchitis or nerve paralysis of the diaphragm or the respiratory muscle or the chest muscle, like Guillain-Barré syndrome in certain neurological conditions, your single breath count can come down. Now, it is very cheap and it doesn't cost any money. Sometimes you forget to take your pulse oximeter with you. And even in the ward, if you are able to tell your doctor, look, doctor, I'm able to count 100 now. Previously it was 50. So you can give a positive informations to the doctor that you have improved and you're ready to go home. And the doctor also become very confident. He may not be seeing you every hour, but throughout the day, दिन का आपका जितना भी single breath count है, and you can write it down. And most of the time, 99% cases, those who are not losing their consciousness, they can remember their single breath count. The single breath count is very easy to do. See me again. I'll be doing like this, and try to follow and practice yourself. It is very useful, not only for your COVID lung conditions or any asthma, COPD. It can improve your lung capacity because it's a kind of breathing exercise too. So do it again and follow me. You do like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 34. So 34 is my single breath count. So it can vary, and if you are not you're not smoking, you're not taking heavy meal, and you have not exhausted yourself recently, it should be done at home without much stress, and it should not be done while you are walking or doing exercise. So it can be done when you're taking rest. So we call it physiological conditions. So at rest, this is very useful test of your lung capacity. So friends, thanks for kind attention. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.